Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I have come up with another recipe which is cheesy cap and also eggy cap. First we'll prepare the dough. We have added 1 tablespoon each of cumin seed and ajwain. Mix it and add half tablespoon of salt and 2 to 3 tablespoon of ghee. Mix it well and then start making by adding little water at intervals. We need to make the dough hard, not soft, so don't pour so much of water. Once the dough is done, we'll spread some oil. We'll grease it from the top so that it is soft, and we will keep it for 30 minutes. Then we have boiled some eggs and taken 4 to 5 medium-sized potatoes, 1 cup of coriander leaves which are washed and chopped. Here we have boiled the potatoes and mashed it. Start adding more ingredients such as big size of onion chopped into small pieces, 3 to 4 green chilies, half tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of garam masala and half tablespoon of salt, half tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder. That's it, mix it well. And here we are going to take the dough. First spread some flour at the bottom and cut into half the full making of the dough and make a big chapati as such, and make the ball of the making and then keep it around the chapati. Small ball, we don't need big one, and cut the egg slices medium size and keep up of the balls. Some I am going to show you with egg and some with the cheese. Cheese you can take the burger slices, burger cheese slices, as that can fit properly, otherwise mozzarella cheese will be chopped, so it is difficult to keep on it, it will fall. So here I have taken this one, you can keep it as such. You can keep the cheese slices up of the egg too. Once that is done, we are going to add water. Spread water on the leftover places, and another big chapati of the same size we are going to keep half and then again cover it half. Stick the corners and also where we have spread the water, just press it, and then using a glass which is steel or metallic, and the corner should be sharp so that it can cut out well. Now take out carefully. We are going to press the corners of the cap very well as such. Everything will be prepared that way, and I'll keep it ready. Using the help of fork spoon, we are going to give a shape, as this look very simple, so we'll make lines around it. This is the way. Then we are going to fry it on medium flame. Do not make the oil very hot. It should be very normal, and it should cook on slow flame, slow to medium at last. To make it crispy, we have to keep it for very much time, like 5 to 10 minutes. It will take to fry. First it will seem like a puri, but later when it becomes crispy, it will be very tasty and the color will be golden brown. Finally, more we will make it crispy. That's it. This is how it should be, and it is ready to serve. You can have it with green chutney, yogurt chutney, or with minus ketchup as you prefer. Both the egg and the cheese one I'll be showing you here. You can see that both the combination of potato making and the egg, it's delicious. You can dip and have it. And this is the cheesy one. So the cap should be prepared in such way, and let me know how you liked it. Do comment down, and I'll be coming up with more recipes, so don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, share. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more recipes and more kind of vlogs.